In our today's assignment, the first question is, what does a circuit consist of? So here a circuit consists of a bulb, cell, wooden plank and the connecting wires. So by the simple electrical components, by using the simple electrical components which we call as a bulb, cell and connecting wires, we will construct a small simple electric circuit. Okay. And the second question in our assignment, second question is, what is mean by fused? What is mean by fused? So the bulb which doesn't glow or said to be fused. Whenever, even though we are the availability of electricity, if the bulb doesn't glow, the reason behind that, the bulb is fused. We will say that the bulb is fused. Okay. And the third question. So why does the bulb does not glow? Why does the bulb does not glow in the circuit? Is there any reason? Yes, is there. So here I get two reasons here. Connecting a fused bulb in the circuit. If we connect a fused bulb in the circuit, already we explained in the second question. If we connect a fused bulb in the circuit doesn't glow in the bulb doesn't glow in the circuit. And the second reason, no closed path in the circuit. If the circuit is in an open path, the current does not flow. That means no closed path. If it doesn't maintain a closed path, okay, nothing but it is open path. Okay, if it is maintaining a open path, then the bulb does not glow. These are the causes which doesn't glow the bulb. And the fourth question, in this fourth question, we have four pictures are there. We have four pictures are there. In picture B and C, if we observe keenly, in the question, the diagram B and C, the bulb doesn't glow. The reason behind that, it is a open path. It's not a closed path. So it is a open path. So if any circuit is in the open path, the electricity does not flow through the wires. Okay. And whereas in the second case, D and E, in these two cases, the bulb will glow. Because the reason is, it is in a closed path. It is in a closed path. It is maintaining a closed path. And the fifth question. Many times in our houses, even though if we have a availability of flow of electricity, some of the bulbs doesn't glow and some of the bulbs will glow. What is the reason behind that? So fifth question. So the reason is, if the bulb is fused, then automatically the bulb doesn't glow even though the electricity is available. Okay. And the second thing is, the terminals of a bulb are connected. The terminals of a bulb are connected in a wrong way. Okay, the terminals of bulb connected in a wrong way. Sometimes an electric bulb does not glow. Sometimes an electric bulb does not glow. Even if it is connected this may happens, the bulb is fused. Okay, so if the bulb is fused, in this case, bulbs doesn't glow. The terminals of a bulb are connected in a wrong way. If we connect the terminals of a bulb in a wrong way, in this situation also the bulb doesn't glow. Sometimes an electrical bulb does not glow even if it is connected to the cell. This may happen, sir. Even if we connect it through by using the cell. Okay, by using connecting wires, sir. If we connect the cell and the bulb, even though in some cases the bulb does not glow, it happens the bulb is fused. It may happen when it will happen.